Bank backs Nigeria's reforms, says reversing Tinubu's policies will spell doom for Nigeria. In a stark warning, the World Bank has cautioned against reversing the current economic policies of Nigerian federal government, stating that such a move would be detrimental to the nation's future. Dr. Idiame Diap, the World Bank's country director for Nigeria, emphasized this point during the Nigeria's Development Update report launch in Abuja. The report, titled Staying the Course: Progress Amid Pressing Challenges, underscores the importance of maintaining recent reforms despite short-term hardship. Since taking office, President Bola Tinubu's administration has implemented two key policies: removing petrol subsidies and floating the naira. While these measures have contributed to economic strain, they are crucial for Nigeria's long-term stability. Alex Sienert, the World Bank's lead economist for Nigeria, highlighted that the recent increase in federal government revenue is primarily attributed to these reforms. He noted that in 2022, the combined cost of fuel and forex subsidies amounted to a staggering 10.7 trillion naira, equivalent to over 5% of the country's GDP. However, not all leaders share this optimistic view. Bala Mohammed, governor of Bauchi State and chairman of the PDP Governors Forum, urged the federal government to reconsider its fiscal and monetary policies. He warned that the current economic situation puts political leaders at risk of public backlash. In response, Wale Edun, Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, reaffirmed the government's commitment to sustaining these reforms. He emphasized that removing subsidies, a burden that has persisted for 40 years, would take time to yield positive results. Looking ahead, the World Bank estimates that approximately 12 million Nigerians will enter the job market, underscoring the urgent need for comprehensive employment strategies at both national and state levels. Central Bank Governor Olayemi Cardoso reiterated the World Bank's warning, asserting that the era of ways and means borrowing to the federal government has ended, signaling a new chapter in Nigeria's fiscal management. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.